Are you sure the Microsoft Enterprise Agreement is the best fit for your business? Here's the truth. Microsoft wants you to think the EA is the only option. But in reality, alternatives like CSP and MCA can often give you more flexibility, better pricing, and less lock-in. The catch, most organizations never compare the options before signing. So let me ask you, are you paying for 3 years of fixed commitments you might not need? Could a CSP program with month-to-month flexibility save you money? Or does an MCA agreement align better with your cloud-first strategy? The key is to compare side by side. EA gives you predictable costs but less flexibility. CSP gives you agility and often sharper discounts, but it requires active management. MCA is a middle ground, especially for Azure-heavy environments, and when you evaluate these options, you gain leverage. Even if you stick with an EA, showing Microsoft you've explored CSP and MCA forces them to sharpen their pencil. At Redress Compliance, we help CIOs and procurement leaders choose the right Microsoft licensing program and negotiate smarter no matter which model you pick. Contact Redress Compliance before you sign your next Microsoft agreement.